Hey guys, I'm here to show you guys the application we're going to be using for these days that we're going to be off right now. It's through April 15th, but who knows what's going to happen. It can extend. So basically, most teachers are going to be using this app, and I'm just going to show you guys how to locate it, okay? So the first thing you got to do is go to the Polk Schools FL website, okay? So after that, you guys are going to hover your mouse where it says students, and you're going to look for Office 365. Okay, so you go in there and you click, and you will have to sign in using your My Polk Schools account. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to log in from my daughter's so that you can see it from a student perspective. So when you log in, it's going to ask you for your username or password again. So you go ahead and do that. It is extremely important for you guys to add the mypolkschools.net suffix at the end. Password, and then this is what you guys are going to see. Okay, you got all the different options up here. Uh, you guys can actually download Office for your laptop if you don't have it. But what you're going to do, you're going to click where it says Teams right here. And then you can download this also for your computer. So when you click on it, you'll see another tab open. And just give it a second. When it opens, you'll see this screen right here. So just go to where it says Teams, and then you'll see all your classes, and I'll let you guys know what to do after that. So that's it. Have a good one.